We love these sensory bags. So we're in the kitchen and I need to keep Luca busy. And so I filled up this gallon Ziploc bag. I put flat mushrooms in it. And I put, so it would be fun for him to push around. There's some grapes in there. And then I put these raspberries that were kind of going bad in there. And the raspberries are fun because he can squeeze them and squish them, and then it dyes the water naturally to red in the bag. And he can see the little particles floating around. We're gonna use the celery, the lemons, zucchini, and the mushrooms. This is an A+ toddler baby activity.